Familiar with the home page, we're going to show you how to upload your data sets or your data to Bridge Horizon. So in order to upload data, you're going to click Upload within the Upload Data box, and this will take you to your My Data directory. Another way of getting to that destination is to click Data on the right sidebar menu, and then just click My Data. So this is a really nice itemized list of all the files that you have uploaded, as well as the last date modified for each one of these files and their sizes and the file type. You can also favorite whichever files you find of high importance to you. So in order to upload your files or your data sets, you can just simply click the File button on the right top menu. And over here you can click Browse, which will take you to your directory. Then you can click your files of interest and simply click Upload, and then Upload again. Once your items have been successfully uploaded, you will get this pop-up menu, notifications on the top, and then you will be able to find your data sets within Bridge Horizon.